Hey everyone, welcome to the DS Blueprint. Today we're answering a simple but big question. What is data science? By the end of this video, you'll see that data science isn't just a buzzword, it's something that finally makes sense. So, in the simplest way, data science is about turning raw data into useful knowledge. It's about finding patterns, making predictions, and helping us make better decisions. Think of it like this. Imagine a messy pile of puzzle pieces. On their own, they don't mean anything, right? But once you put them together, you'll see the full picture. That's exactly what data science does with data. And why does data science matter so much? Because it's everywhere around us. Businesses use it to figure out what customers want. Healthcare uses it to save lives. And it drives the apps and technologies we use every single day, right? In short, data science is quietly powering the world we live in. Let's make it real. Think about Netflix. Have you ever wondered how it knows what to recommend? That's data science in action. It studies what you have watched, compares it with millions of other people, and predicts what you'll enjoy next. And not just that, Netflix even uses data to decide which new shows or movies to create. So, the reason your favorite series even exists, data science probably had a big role in it. Now take Amazon. You open the app and it shows you products you didn't even search for, but you actually need them. That's not luck, that's the data science behind this. It learns from your shopping habits and predicts what you'll want next. And beyond recommendations, data science also helps Amazon optimize the deliveries. That's why your packages show up so fast. This is where data science gets really powerful. That's the healthcare. Imagine detecting cancer before symptoms even appear. Data science can do that by analyzing scans and patient data. And it doesn't stop there. It helps doctors create personalized treatments for each patient based on their genetics and history. That means faster recovery, fewer side effects, and better outcomes. That is data science, not just improving lives but also saving them. So, how does data science actually work? It follows a simple cycle. Step 1, data. It's collected information from different sources. Step 2, processing, clean and organize data. Step 3, insights, find patterns and predictions. Step 4, action, use those insights to make real world decisions. From Netflix to hospitals, this cycle repeats everywhere. That's the heartbeat of data science. So now you can see data science isn't just theory. It's the reason Netflix recommends you next show. It's why Amazon knows what you'll buy, and it's how doctors save lives, right? Data science is shaping how we live, shop, and stay healthy. And this is just the beginning. This channel is called the DS Blueprint for a reason because here data science finally makes sense. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. This is just the first step. We'll cover every concept in data science step by step with total clarity. Thank you for watching and welcome to the DS Blueprint.